Hello and welcome everyone to the channel. Mr. Carman here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes G-Wagon and how to upgrade the front side markers. So right now my G-Wagon has these amber color looking side markers and they're kind of starting to look old and outdated, and I'm going to be upgrading them with these smoked ones. And not only are these smoked ones gonna look nicer, but they're LED as well, and the LEDs are built in. So let's get started with this upgrade. It's pretty simple. There's just a few steps, but the results are going to be amazing. Let's get started. So first thing first, we're going to go to our headlight, and around this outside assembly on the bottom side there are two screws. We're going to loosen those screws and then pull this assembly up, but do not completely pull it away, because on this left side there's a hose connected which works for our headlight washers. So I'm going to disconnect that. There's a clamp holding onto it. I'm going to loosen the clamp, pull the hose off, and then we can move the assembly out of the way. Next, we're going to open the headlight itself, and this is also held on with a few screws. We're not going to remove the headlight completely. We're going to just disconnect this small cable which is running to our side marker. Now I'm going to go to the side marker. There are two screws that are completely visible to the outside, and then just give the side marker a little wiggle because it might be stuck on since it's been on there for so many years, but it's going to pull right out and the wire is going to come right out since we've already disconnected it. And the installation is pretty simple. We're going to do everything in the reverse process. I'm going to grab our new smoked side marker, stick the wire into the hole, connect both the side marker screws, reconnect the wire, reinstall the headlight, and then grab this plastic assembly, reconnect the hose, tighten it, and then align this assembly to these two top tabbings. Without any pressure, it's smoothly going to slide down. And then the last thing left is to tighten the two screws on the bottom. And now I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. But here's the look after the upgrade, and I gotta say it really looks amazing, and it's pretty inexpensive as well. I will have it linked down below in my description box in case you guys want to also upgrade your G-Wagon. And if you guys enjoyed this video or just love the Mercedes G-Wagon in general, please make sure to hit the like button. And if you guys want to see more upgrade, how-to, or DIY videos on many of my vehicles, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.